Measuring 120 millimeters in diameter and weighing just 56 grams, it mimics the appearance and movement of a real jellyfish almost perfectly. Its transparent body and soft tentacles are made from a hydrogel electrode material, which gives it flexibility and a lifelike texture. So how does it move? The robot swims using an electrostatic hydraulic actuator, a system that copies the neural signals controlling muscle movements in jellyfish. Each pulse sends a wave through its body, allowing it to propel forward or hover in place. And it does this at just 28.5 milliwatts of power, less than what a typical LED bulb uses. Because of its low power use and near-silent operation, it causes almost no disturbance underwater. That makes it ideal for covert missions, monitoring fragile coral reefs, or inspecting underwater structures without alarming marine life.